All right. Hello everyone and welcome back to Ask MBA YouTube channel where we are solving con section for your CAT 2024. All right. I hope you guys are preparing very well for your CAT exam because hardly we have 1 month left. In that 1 month, I have already posted proper video like what must be your plan of action in last 30 days, like how to attempt your mocks because box is the only key now left to score good in your exam in CAT 2024. All right. Now, without wasting your time, I want you guys to understand this question. The question is from Algebra. I hope you have solved this kind of questions earlier. The question is 3x plus 2y minus 22 whole square plus 4x minus 4y plus 9 whole square is equal to 0. Again, 5x minus 4y is equal to 0. Now, these are the two equations that we have given. If you look at the first equation, after simplifying, you will be getting quadratic equation. But the second equation is linear equation in two variable. And the question is, find the value of x plus y. Again, the moment you look at this quadratic equation or any equation from algebra, you must understand the start. कि भाई start कहाँ से करना है. अब अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि सर quadratic equation तो दिया तो है, let's simplify this first term, then simplifying this second term. After adding, you will be getting something like the value of x and y. But trust me, it will be more complications ahead. So the moment you see these kind of questions, we have itself contradiction is given. First is quadratic equation and the second is linear equation. That is not going to help us. Now, सोचना क्या है? सोचना ये है कि भाई विदाउट सिंप्लीफिकेशन से कुछ मुझे स्टार्ट मिल सकता है क्या? यस, ऑफ कोर्स मिल सकता है. थोड़ा सा इस इक्वेशन को देखो, एक सेकंड को देखो और देखो कि भाई ऐड करके रिजल्ट क्या मिलने वाला है. वी आर एडिंग टू स्क्वायर्ड वैल्यूज एंड एक्सपेक्टिंग रिजल्ट टू बी जीरो. When it is possible? Like when do we get zero as addition? Either the first value is positive and second value is negative, right? This is the first case which you will get zero as a result. But in this equation, this is not possible. Why? Both the terms are squared value. A squared value cannot be negative. The answer for this cannot be negative, or the final answer for this cannot be negative value, right? So the first condition will automatically strike out. What we have left with? What is the second option that could lead you result to be zero? Yes, there is only one possible condition. If we consider this term, the value of this term as zero and the value of this term as zero, then only you will get final answer as zero. What I'm saying? अगर दोनों टर्म का वैल्यू जीरो कंसीडर करें तभी तो हमें जीरो मिलेगा. These are the only two possible cases. The first case I've already told you. To get answer your zero, one of the term from this both out of this both term, one of the term must be zero or negative term. Then only you will be getting zero term by cancelling out all the terms. But that is not possible. Why? Because we are having here squared value, and square cannot be negative, right? The second situation that I was telling you, both the term must be equal to zero. In that case only you will be getting final result as zero. So now this is your basic start. तो यही हमें अलजेब्रा में करना है कि भाई बेसिक स्टार्ट कहां से मिले. Now I can say 3x plus 2y minus 22 is equal to 0, or this 22 I can shift to the right hand side, which will equal to 22. This is your first equation. Second, I can say 4x minus 5y plus 9 is equal to 0. Both the terms are in square, right? This was, let me keep it as it is so there will be no further doubts. I'll be solving this question simultaneously. All right, now we have squares on both sides, squares on the left hand side and 0 on the right hand side. We can directly conclude that this term is equal to 0. It means this term is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 22 is equal to 0, and 4x minus 5y plus 9 is equal to 0. Now what we have now, this is simple linear equation in two variable. In fact, we have another linear equation given in the question itself. Now we can use one of the equation with the help of this 5x minus 4y. We can solve simultaneously, get the value of x and y. All right, let me help you with those solving of equations. How do we solve linear equations? The first equation we have is 5x minus 4y is equal to 0. We need another equation to solve the values of x and y using this first equation. All right, let me number this equation first. This is your first equation. Now we need to get one equation to use with your first equation out of these two. Anything that is looks similar to the first one. This is similar to the first equation. What I have here, 4x minus 5y is equal to minus 9, right? Now I can use this equation simultaneously solve the value for x and y. We need to equate this equation. 4x minus 5y is equal to 9. This is your second equation, right? I hope you are getting what I am doing here. कुछ नहीं किया हमने, इक्वेशन में से इक्वेशन निकाला, दोनों को इक्वेट जीरो किया. जीरो इक्वेट क्यों किया है? क्योंकि स्क्वायर वैल्यू था. स्क्वायर वैल्यू का एडिशन मुझे जीरो चाहिए, which is possible in the only one case. Both the terms must be zero. So now consider any one of the two cases. Solve that using 5x minus 4y simultaneously. Now we need to solve this equation simultaneously, and I'm very much sure that you will be able to solve this equation. All right, so just solve this equation and put your answers on the comment box, because I'm not going to solve this. This is not your CAT question. The main thing, the main important thing to understand from this question is why we need to suppose this value as 0. That is what I wanted you guys to share with you, because this kind of things must be struck down in the exams. वहां पे आपको अगर ऐसे चीजें अगर याद आ गई तो ट्रस्ट मी बहुत अच्छे से पेपर निकलने वाला है. ठीक है, तो ये साइमल्टेनियस आपको इक्वेशन सॉल्व करना है. जस्ट x और x को इक्वल करो, यहां से आपको x कट जाएगा, y मिल जाएगा. उसके बाद पुट बैक योर वैल्यू ऑफ x टू गेट योर वैल्यू ऑफ y. Okay, so this is simultaneous equation of linear variable with two variable. ठीक है, so I want you guys to solve this kind of questions, क्योंकि इसमें ज्यादा कुछ मेहनत नहीं है, बस हमें स्टार्ट कहां से करना है वो चाहिए. So I'll be coming with few more equations in further videos. For now I want you guys to understand कि अलजेब्रा से 4 क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं. तो अगर आपको स्कोर करना है तो अलजेब्रा से इक्वेशन अच्छे से कर लो. एपीजीपी अगर आपको थोड़ा सा परेशान कर रहा है तो लॉग्स में आई वांट यू गाइस टू फोकस मोर ऑन. If you want me to put videos on logarithm, please mention in the comment box. I'll be coming live or I'll be putting videos on logarithm for you guys. ठीक है, सो एक महीना अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन कर रहा है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस देखना है आपको. किसी क्वेश्चन पे ज्यादा टाइम पास मत करो. जो क्वेश्चन आपको 2 मिनट में समझ में नहीं आएगा वो 10 मिनट में भी समझ में नहीं आने वाला. So rather than wasting your time on understanding that question again and again, just directly go to the solution and analyze how the question is done. ठीक है, so that's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow again with another CAT level question. Thank you.